In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Microsoft Edge certificate error quickly and safely. If you've been seeing certificate warnings, secure connection problems, or pages that just won't load properly in Edge, this simple fix can often solve the issue in just a few minutes. We'll go through 2 easy steps: checking your date and time settings, and then clearing your cookies and cache. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is check whether your device date and time are correct. This is one of the most common reasons certificate errors happen, because websites use security certificates that depend on your computer having the right system time. If your clock is off, even by a little bit, Microsoft Edge may think the certificate is invalid. To check this, look at the bottom right corner of your screen on Windows and make sure the date, time, and time zone are accurate. If they are wrong, right-click the clock, choose Adjust Date and Time, and then turn on Set Time automatically if it is available. You can also make sure the correct time zone is selected. Once that is done, refresh Microsoft Edge and try the website again. If the error is still showing, the next step is to clear the cookies and cache in Edge. Old or corrupted browser data can sometimes interfere with secure websites and cause certificate-related problems. This step is very important because it removes stored files that may be causing the browser to load outdated information. To do that, click inside Microsoft Edge and press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the Clear Browsing Data window. Here, you'll see options for different types of data you can remove. Make sure cookies and other site data are selected, and also choose cached images and files. If you want to be extra thorough, you can select the time range as all time, so Edge clears everything that may be causing the issue. After that, click Clear Now and wait for the process to finish. Once the data is removed, close Microsoft Edge completely and reopen it. Then go back to the website that was showing the certificate error and check if it loads normally. In many cases, just correcting the time and clearing the cache and cookies is enough to fix the issue. If the problem is gone, that means the browser was using old or incorrect information and is now loading the site properly again. If you're still having trouble, you may want to restart your computer and try again, because sometimes system changes need a full restart before they fully apply. But for most users, these 2 steps solve the Microsoft Edge certificate error fast. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple Windows and browser fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.